Where do you go from here, Mr. Chatterjee? Mamata Banerjee today talked about being ready to help with talks between these groups and the government. Is that what you want to see now? Talks between the Maoist groups in West Bengal and the government?
No, I am very much of whatever our leader will decide. No sweat on that. The point is, why not you raise the voice of rescuing the two poor constables who have been abducted?
Okay, so you're saying
the government is reluctant to test them out.
You're saying that the same government which negotiated for the release of a senior police officer must also be willing to negotiate?
No, I am not going to say I am not going to say negotiated. I am only saying you must provide the peace and tranquility. You must protect your own employees.
Mr. Partha Chatterjee, hold on. Nilotpal Basu of the CPIM is joining us. Mr. Basu, serious charges are being made here by the Trinamool Congress saying this is an utter failure of the left front government. Has the left front government lost its nerve in fighting the Maoists? Okay, we'll try and get back to Mr. Basu. Appreciate your joining us for the moment, Partha Chatterjee. We'll also get Prakash Singh to give us the overall picture. Why is the West Bengal government losing this battle?
He has no answer. Nilotpal has no answer because the Chief Minister himself has said that both of them killed by the Maoist and subsequently said it is a wrong statement by me. See the childness of a Chief Minister of West Bengal.
Okay, Mr. Partha Chatterjee, I appreciate your joining us here. Nilotpal Basu, let me try to come back to you. Answer the question which Partha Chatterjee is making. He's making serious charges that your government has lost its nerve in West Bengal.
I think that is a very wild stretch of imagination that he is exercising. On the contrary, I am telling you very clearly that we have a very complex situation in West Bengal today, because Mr. Chatterjee and his party will never condemn the Maoists, never be part of the national consensus that has come about in this country, where there ought to be a recognition of this threat for the Maoists, who are really creating a major problem for democracy and development, and they are actually undermining the very requirements of the people whom they claim to represent.
No, Mr. Basu, in fact, Mr. Chatterjee, the Trinamool Congress is accusing you of more than just that. They're saying that you're not going ahead with operations against Maoist groups, that it's strange that while operations are going on, that policemen should be taken hostage in this way. They're in fact accusing you of collusion.
I think this is the strangest thing that I have ever heard in many times, because you see, the other day the Maoists called a band and they were calling for the release of